Good morning and welcome to the first of our ever many videos featuring this 2007 VW Beetle convertible. Now the owner of this car has asked me to sort out a few issues, and the most obvious one is this window glass. So I've looked at it, and the motor still winds up and down. You can hear the regulator working, so it's not an electrical problem. And I think it's the glass that's come detached from the regulator, so I'm hoping that'll be an easy job, but we'll find out when we get to look at it. But first I need to get this car home so I can do whatever I need to do. There's a few other issues, but that won't be the focus of this particular video. So I'll just demonstrate what the problem is. There we go. Yeah, you can hear the regulators working, but obviously the glass isn't moving. I know it's been wedged in. That's to stop it falling down, but clearly something's become detached. So I'm just hoping it's the bolts that have come out. Anyway, let's get it home and we'll see what it's like. So I might as well show you what it's like on the road. Now, one thing that becomes immediately obvious as soon as I hit 30 miles an hour, and if you can hear it, there's a horrible, like a droning noise. Now I'm back at home, I can start to dig into it and see what's up. And getting this door panel off is easy enough. You've got this piece of trim that should just prise off, and this suitable trim tool, and that reveals a couple of Phillips screws underneath. So I'll buzz them off with my impact driver. And then there's three T20s, if you can see from there, but there's three T20 torque screws. So just swap bits. And with them out, it should be just a matter of popping the door off. Once again, my trim tool. And then this just lifts off the top of the door. I just need to disconnect the door handle. And there's an LED to disconnect as well. And also the electric window switch. So you can't see too well from this angle. That's got that off. And we'll see. I'll carry on once I've got all this off. So I'm just going to have to take this off to get to the glass behind. So it should be just a matter of unclipping stuff, just unclip wires, disconnect stuff, and get stuff out of the way. So I think now if I undo all these bolts, I could just swing this lot out the way. Just have a look, probably 10. Yep, 10mm. Yeah, they'll look like 10mm bolts. So I'll buzz them off with the impact. As soon as I find my 3/8 adapter, so it's time to take all these bolts off. So yeah, all these bolts are all the same. There's a nut down there, so I'm going to need to sort that out because my socket's not deep enough. So I'll get that last nut out and then this should all come off. So I think I've got all the bolts out. Let's have a look. I don't think I've missed anything, no. So this should just come off. I'll come back to you when I finish getting this off as a few other bits. I was just peeling this panel off. I could see that the glass was still attached to the regulator, and as soon as I popped the motor off, it was soon obvious why the cable's knackered on the regulator. So this is going to need a new regulator. Right, just been on the phone to a motor factor, and it's going to be a thick end of £100 for a window regulator, so I think I'll look elsewhere. I might try eBay or Amazon. So all I can do with this is just put it back together and get it back to the owner, because I've ordered wheel bearing kits. That's going to be subject to another video, but I can't do all about that today. So that's it for now on this one. I don't know whether to end the video or not. Probably carry on as soon as I've got the window regulator, but I know it all comes apart now, so it's going to be a bit easier for me. So I'll cut back to you as soon as I've sorted out a window regulator.